Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be checking out some future updates for Southwest Florida. So here we are in the development progress in the Southwest Florida Discord server, and let's check out these cars. So right here we see some Z's right here, pretty nice cars. I think this would be really nice in game. This car here, I really like the spoiler, and I also really like that diffuser. Makes the car look pretty nice. I really like that diffuser on the car. It looks real nice. Moving on, we have a Mercedes, pretty nice. This car actually looks really nice. I like the taillights and everything. I just really like how this car looks. It's a neat and clean design. Pretty nice car overall. And then right here we have the Ram TRX 1500, and this right here, I really want to be in game. It's overall a really nice car, supercharged truck, really nice here. Honestly, my favorite truck overall, out of all the trucks, my favorite truck is the Ram TRX 1500. Really like how it looks, and this car here performs really nice. Performed really good, lots of power in that car. And then here we have another, here we have a Sedan, pretty nice car. This car actually looks really nice. I really like this black spoiler in the back here. This car overall looks really nice. I think this car, pretty neat design, honestly. I just really like the back end. I really like the black spoiler. Makes the car look really nice. Have a Lamborghini right here. It looks really nice, honestly. I hope this car comes soon. I think it's developers are still working on it. I think this is a Koenigsegg right here. You can't really see the car. You can actually only see the headlights. So yeah, here's the Koenigsegg again. I think it's a remodel, not sure. And what is this here? I'm not sure. Here's the past update. But yeah, here's a Koenigsegg. And yeah, those are pretty much it for the cars that I'll be showing you guys today. Overall, really nice cars. My favorite is the Ram TRX 1500. Really excited for this car to come to Southwest Florida. Probably in the next update or so. But overall, all really nice cars that will be coming to Southwest Florida. I wanted to keep you guys updated on the future updates. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to comment down some video ideas, videos you guys want to see. But that is going to be it. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We are on our road to 6,000 subscribers. Pretty close. But yeah, that is it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.